What's up, guys? Today, I want to show you how to make a desktop shortcut in Windows 11. Super simple, super quick, and if you think this is useful, please subscribe. Alright, let's get to it. We are going to go to our search bar down here. This is where all of our programs and files are going to be. You can just type it in. Let's pick a software. Let's go with Clone Hero. Right click on it. Open file location. It'll bring up your file explorer and you can see it right here. The selected program. You're going to right click on this. And if you're in Windows 11, you're going to want to hit show more options. So it gives you all the stuff you can do. And you're going to go to send to right here. And you can see desktop and in parenthesis create shortcut. Click that and exit out. And there you go, you got your desktop shortcut. Sweet. If you guys thought that was helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next